Welcome to my channel. How to fix wireless printer connection. Step 1. Restart devices, turn off your printer and router, wait 30 seconds, then turn them back on. Step 2. Check network connection, ensure your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Step 3. Update drivers, download and install the latest drivers for your printer from the website. Step 4. Reinstall printer, remove the printer from your computer's device list, then add it back again. Step 5. Verify printer status, make sure the printer is not paused or offline in your computer's settings. Step 6. Check wireless settings, access the printer's control panel and reconfigure the wireless settings if needed. Step 7. Check for firmware updates, look for and install any available firmware updates for your printer. Step 8. Ensure no IP conflicts, confirm the printer's IP address doesn't conflict with other devices on your network.